Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching from. My name is Samuel Nyobuchi, the anchor of Eden Couture Academy. I want to let you know what Eden Couture Academy is all about. Eden Couture Academy is an online fashion learning class that takes you through the process of fashion designing. Yes, making of men dresses and how to cut, to measure, and make a dress completely. I know most of us are occupied with our different jobs and still love the skill of tailoring. I would want to acquire the knowledge, but going to an on-site academy has been a major problem. Here comes Ida Couture Academy, an online platform that avails you to the time to learn fashion designing from the comfort of your house, from the comfort of your office. Yes, from your office. Just a matter of you coming online to our YouTube platform and subscribe, like, comment, and watch the videos, and follow the easy step there applied on each video you watch, and before you know it, there you are making your dresses. And even though you find it a little bit difficult to understand, we have our WhatsApp and Telegram platform that is always open for you to ask questions and get a direct answer to every question you have on how to go about whatsoever problem you encounter through the way. Just all you have to do is to subscribe, like, share, and as time goes on, we'll be dropping videos of the basics, and we move to the intermediary and to the advanced class. Join us in this journey and you will never regret doing it. God bless you and stay blessed.